How to install 3 light white distressed weathered chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Secure the stem and the wooden ring together. Clip the 2 wood rings together at a 90-degree angle. Secure the stem and the wooden ring together with the loop. Open the arm to 3 equal parts. Attach a quick link to the chain and the loop on the top of fixture. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.